Hello, YouTube. I am Eli the Fatigued. We're playing some more Cataclysm, Dark Days Ahead. We had a close call last episode. I'm happy we didn't die. That would have been entirely my fault. Well, mostly my fault. The flaming eyes just suck. The fungus downstairs. It's really, really not fun right now. Causing all sorts of lag. Well, not lag, but slowdown. I have to repair stuff. And we should double check the EMP grenade. I don't even need the EMP grenade. Why do I keep going on about it? We're under a science facility, not a lab. Alright. Either way, definitely going to get the computer science to level 8, then, or computers, technically, whatever. Computers to level 8, then we'll go down, hit that barracks, hopefully not die. Hopefully get some good, weapons, ammo, maybe some good gear. I don't know, we'll see. If I ever wake up. Any day now, game. Hey, maybe we'll be fully healed by the time I wake up. That'll be good. I say as I get 1 point of HP. Hey, fully healed. That's nice. Now if I could just wake up. Still tired is the funny thing. Yeah, all those flaming eyes. Oh my gosh. Well, there were 2. I know there are 3 up there somewhere, but there were 2 that I know places of approximately. There's one in the bottom right corner, or southeastern corner, and one directly to the south of the warehouse that I'm in. Do I wake up now? Maybe? Yeah, if I can just get into that barracks, get some guns, shoot those flaming eyes, I don't have to deal with their crap anymore. I think that'd be a lot better. Nope, still sleeping. Holy crap. Yeah, those flaming eyes did a number on me. Like the scientists, they damaged me, but flaming eyes, like, probably like super exhausted me or something. I forget their exact mechanics, but I know they do all sorts of debuffs on you. Any day now, game. Should probably take off the noise-canceling headgear. I don't need to worry about the Migos below me anymore. Or above me, because there aren't any Migos above me, as far as I know. Partially because I've had my noise-canceling headgear on. That way I can actually, use an alarm to wake up instead of waiting forever. We're probably going to take that cargo truck, though. Because I only saw 2 vehicles so far, unless we find something else. Right. Let's, read what we... Take a look at what we have. Probably drop everything else, too. Oops. Alright. And... So SICP. Yeah, so back to more waiting. Sorry, y'all. Not the most fun thing to do, but hey. It's this game. If you like this game like me, you deal with the stuff you don't like about it. I like this. It is a fun game. Okay, though. After this, we can finally, hopefully, get into the barracks. Watch, it's going to shut down the console or shock me 3 times before I can even get it in there. Get in there. Okay. So, from what I remember, it was on floor -3. We're on floor -2 right now. You know what, just take care of these guys. They're getting annoying. Oh, another baton, another type of baton. Cash card. Antibiotics, that's nice. It's over. Ooh, uh-oh. Already got that, but I don't know. Okay. Hello, Brute. Further stare down. Ah. Up to the north. Okay. Scrap room. On -4. No, it's past the fungus, that's right. Fungus that I burned away. Yeah. Alright. Shut down or shock. Computers 8. Intelligence 17. Okay. Bio-op. Alright. Bio-operator. Ooh, zapped. That's not good. Bad bio-operator. Come on. What torso encumbrance? Oh, hold on. Probably the wool poncho, honestly. Yeah. Alright. Oh yeah, my dodging's like 14 now. Oof. I'll lose my crit gloves. Sad. Not what I meant to do. Oh, there we go. So I could get CBMs off of it. Would. I'll think about it. Oh, I need backpack. There we go. I have an entrenching tool, but just in case. Don't think I have a syringe. Morphine. Good. Brand new molly pack. Happy defense. There. Happy. Next. Molly pack. There's someone down there. That's fine. Shuffling. Molly pack. What's in here? Oh, nice. Another bio operator. Maybe this one will be a little bit easier. Not with me constantly using stamina like that. I'm doing the chain punch. Ow! Whoa! Twice? Right? Coverage? 85, that's why. Catch breath. Please and thank you. AIDS are good. Oh, right. Molly pack. Unload old molly pack. Pick up old molly pack. At least half of it. Just in case. Card. Oh, it's a knife. Individual first aid kit. I don't know why I thought it was a wallet. Oh wait, I checked out his room. Ran away as soon as I saw him. Red trousers. Unload cargo pants. Take off. Cargo pants. Wear. Red trousers. Standard issue cargo pants. Nice. They're also cargo pants. Durable, lightweight, and has ample storage. Super flex neoprene. Keeps one warm in moderately cold weather. Nice. Good stuff. Favoriting that. Unfortunately, die. Kevlar super alloy. There's no way I'm ever going to be able to repair these. But they're repaired with a tailor's kit. Okay. What do we got? Another mullet pack, just in case. Never have too many backups. Oh, the handgun. Just pulp them, I don't care. Alright. Cool. Alright, let me guess. Computer's 8, intelligence 17, console shut down. Okay, maybe not. Just the peek button again. Cool. Good. Alright. Rivtech assault rifle, Scar H, M110A1, M60, 552. So the Scar H, that's the 308. So, look at the Scar H. Oh. Of course, okay. So we're going to drag stuff out of here, that's fine. 308. 12mm and 50 cal. Fun. Shotgun. Free. Stanag. Okay, so that's 556. So SIG would probably be better than M60 with. Oh wait, no, that's 308 ammo. Okay, so get some more for the Scar H. That's fine. I guess we're using Scar H 308. Oh, this was a shotgun. Oh, it's the M1, not the M1014. M110. So 57 damage. 55 damage. I don't have that one's magazine. It does have one magazine in it. Of unloaded. How's the magazine? That's the Rivtech assault rifle. Nice. Oh. Nice. I get the drum magazine, but no ammo. 1.65. Effin Herstal. 5.7 times 20. Okay. Ooh. 19. Unfortunately, didn't get a whole lot of excellent stuff, but we got some good stuff. Yeah, it's fine. We got guns. That's the important thing. That's what I needed to get those flaming eyes. We're good. That's the trap room. Oh my gosh. And that's why I've been wearing the headgear this whole time. West and north. South. West. Okay. Alright, YouTube, that's where we're going to go ahead and end the episode here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe. It really supports the channel, and I do appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.